people work with this all over. I just don't think it's the language of the contract is looked at or enforced, and if more employers behave responsibly in this manner like Maruti and others do, I think it would make a big difference.
Yeah. Compliance in spirit and letter. Yeah. Your question, please.
Hi, though I think we've partially touched on that already. Hi, I'm Shweta Handagupta. I run an organization called Quadrabrain Transformation. Nothing at all to do with recruitment or staffing. I'm a potential consumer of those services, and I have experienced some distinct challenges in trying to consume those services in India versus other countries. So that brings some thoughts to my mind and some questions which I would want your opinion on. I mean, in a world where we're looking at outsourced CFOs, outsourced CEOs,
Yeah.
why is there still so much of an emphasis at the bottom of the pyramid in the flexi staffing industry? Because the outsourced CFOs and CEOs, etc., still an unregulated
Yeah.
space where there's no quality check really,
No.
right? That is something where, again, thanks for bringing up the SMB sector, because, again, being somebody who generates employment and being somebody who works extensively in this sector, I face that continually, that the focus is still on the larger numbers and not so skilled workforce. And I see a vicious cycle happening there where even today, with due respect to the gentleman here, in the presentations, there was this tone of, we want to attract women who want a second career. We want to attract the youngsters who are not sure. We don't want to attract the highly talented high performers who may appreciate that flexibility just as much.
No.
So our positioning is creating this cycle where I'm not getting that quality of manpower, and there seems to be a reverse employer stigma to being someone who wants temporary, highly skilled workforce, with the HR community saying, okay, that's a very use and throw attitude.
No. I think
I'm
Shweta,
like, it's
yeah.
not.
No,
It's
very
not.
good, very good points. I think most of the points that were made, at least the way I have made a note, was talking about there is a compelling need to perpetrate this, flexibility up the pyramid. It's not to be limited to the base of the pyramid. So that's
So
not
what could we do to change these stigmas
No,
in India?
if I
Because
can respond,
even today
Shweta.
I heard some of those biases creeping in very silently into our dialogue.
Yeah.
In New York, I can find a highly talented person who would be happy for the opportunity.
Yeah.
In India, it'd still be, okay.
Shweta,
No, if
think
I could,
there is one
respond to-
Akhil bhai, just one thing. There is one simple thing which must realize, that we are in India. There is a very high emotional quotient in India compared to the Japanese with I work. They do not have that high emotional quotient. Perhaps that can explain why we are coming into some of